Hello everybody, my name is Aaron with the Helcim Guru team, and today we're going to tell you about our buy and get free pricing option, where your customers using your online store would purchase a specific quantity of an item and receive an item for free. The best example of this would be a BOGO promotion, where you buy 2 of an item and get 1 free, and that's the example that we're going to use in our tutorial today. So we're going to use our Japanese restaurant, and we're going to make it so that all of our appetizers will have a buy 2, get 1 free option. To get started, let's head to the products section. Because we will be working with our appetizers only, let's go ahead and enable categories in our viewing options, and we will sort our category to bring them all right to the front to make it easier for us to find each of them to work with. Let's go ahead and click on our first product, shrimp tempura. To enable our buy get free pricing, we will click on advanced pricing from the overview screen. We're going to click on the Enable Buy Get Free Pricing button, and now we see our fields in place here. In the Buy section, we'll enter in the amount to purchase to get the free item, and in the Get section, we will enter in the number that the customer will receive for free. Below, you will see a field for Buy Get Free Limit Quantity, where you can set a maximum limit for the amount of products a customer can qualify for their free purchase. This limits the amount of free items that a customer could receive. Let's enter 2 as the max amount of free items. Lastly, we have a toggle for Limit to Product, which if enabled will limit the free items to this particular product. In this case, we want to have the rest of our appetizers available as free items, so let's go ahead and leave Limit Product off and click Save. Next, we want to enable the rest of our appetizers to be available as Buy Get Free items. Now that we've enabled this pricing, let's see it in action with our online store. If we head to our quick order mode and we select appetizer from our categories, we can see the appetizer products that we've just edited. So now if we click on any of our items, we now see the buy get free pricing add-on displayed here. And let's go ahead and add our qualifying quantity. So now that we've added it to the cart, we can see each of our items that we had set up to be able to be set as the free item. So you can go ahead and click on any of these items, add it to the cart, and we see that it is now free in the cart. Now, if we happen to select more than the limit quantity, it will limit the amount of free items. So if we select 7, we will still only have 2 as the max of our free item. So that's it. The buy get free option is a great way to enable a promo to get a free item for your customers. Thanks for joining us for another tutorial today, and we hope to see you again in the future.